Yeah, hey guys, it's just me playing Touchscreen BMX. I'm alright. I've played just a couple of games, but I keep getting adrenaline. So yeah. Can you please subscribe to my channel and tell people to view, because it would really help. And I'll be uploading some more videos soon. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And you can see, look, it's already on ×6, and now look at it now, ×8. But unfortunately, then I go slow because I wanted to keep it, because I was going to do a big jump at the end. And then it comes up on the next bit, and I kind of just fall. I tried doing the tail whip and front flip, but I fell over. And then I tried to get it up again, but it didn't work. So yeah, but I'm alright. Yeah, can you just please subscribe and tell people, and that would really help. Thank you. Goodbye.